Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a special issue of Build the Terminator by Hachette Partworks because we have got a free gift. This is our phased plasma rifle that you see the Terminators use, which is in the future, not when he comes back to the past. He has one of these special plasma rifles. So let's get this unboxed. It comes in a nice white box. It's got Build the Terminator written on the front, and it does say the same front and back, and it says on it the 7th delivery gift. So let's open this packaging up right now, take a look at what's inside. We slide it out and there we go. It's in this sort of blister case packaging. You can slide the top off and wow, very nice packaging. It's like a velvety kind of material. They could have went with just plastic here, but yeah, very nice. Yeah, so this is our gun. So look at that, it's very nice. All of this bit here is a nice sort of gunmetal grey, and the handle down the bottom, the handle with the trigger end, and the trigger does pull back, as you can see. Very nice. Yeah, so this is, and oh, even the catch down here works. Lots of detail in this. This is a slightly darker bit of grey, the handle. This handle piece is metal and this piece is plastic. We also get the bit for the sight and a barrel extension and a clip. So let's take all these out. Very nicely packaged. Yeah, so this is what you'll get when you get it. Very nice. And I have to say, the detail in this and the quality of this is really good. I was expecting something nowhere near as good as this. So let's get this on. This screws into the end here. So let's screw that in. And this one I think just clips in. So you just slide that down. Just like that. Hopefully I've got that the right way. I might not have. Yeah, it only goes in one way. Then you get your clip. And this goes down here. It doesn't matter which way. Just like that, and that is your gun. Take your clip out. I think you have to do it both. No, you don't have to do it both sides. Slide it out. Okay, that doesn't want to come out. Yeah, I'll just leave that in for now. But yeah, very nice. Also, you want to see what it looks like with the arm. So yeah, I've already done my issue 26 and I've connected up the arm ready. So let's get a look and see what it looked like holding this. Because obviously I've got the 3 loose fingers, the same as everyone else, but Hachette are sending out replacements for this finger, and this finger here. All you have to do is go into the Facebook group and ask them for a replacement. So let's see if it holds it nice. We want that finger in there, the rest of the hand, get the thumb out of the way, just like that. Put that finger in there. It'll hold it to something like that. So the scale is really nice. It's not going to hold it with these loose fingers though, as you can see. So if I let go now, it's going to drop it. So I will show you what it looks like when I get the replacement pins for the fingers, and I'll do another video showing you how to replace the pins, and obviously I'll show the gun off again in that video. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something extra. If you're a subscriber, you will receive this in your 7th delivery. If you're not a subscriber, I'm sure you'll be able to pick one up on eBay or somewhere like that, or even wait for someone to do. I'm sure someone's going to be doing a 3D printed version of it, so I'd wait for that. But yeah, overall it's very nice quality. Yeah, it's well worth being a free gift, and the packaging was really nice. So you could even leave it in the packaging, display it nicely with that. So yeah, so until next time, the video where issue 26 where I join all this up is going to be out tomorrow morning, so please join me for that. I'll see you then.